Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to open up a few packs of something awesome I got in the mail today. It is 3 Plasma Gale booster packs. I really like collecting Japanese cards, so maybe we'll get something good. I'm really trying not to hurt the packs because they're so beautiful. Oh, these are really hard to open. A lot harder than the English sets. Okay. They come with these little, like, advertisement type card things on them, I guess. I'm not really sure. And the difference with the Japanese packs is that they only come with 5 cards per pack. Forgive me if I don't know the names because, one, it's not written there in English, so it's like really hard to remember them for me. I don't remember his name. Scrafty? I don't remember really. Well, that is a Trubbish. Baratic. It's pretty cool. And a Torterra. Sorry if you can't hear me very well. My throat is killing me today for some reason. Ooh, I wanted this card. It is a Togetic. A lot of people call it Togetic. I don't believe it's Togetic. It's Togetic. So yeah, Togetic. Is that a Fungus? I'm not sure. I think we have a Hollow also. Purloin? Awesome. Hollow Magnezone, I believe. I'm going to get a close-up of that after. And then just a supporter or a trainer card. One last pack. These packs are super hard to open. Holy crap. Okay. Next time I just have a pair of scissors handy. Oh, well, I ruined that pack. Got one of these guys. I can't remember the name. I'm actually terrible at names. Don't remember this one. Chimchar, I think. Another trainer thing, and then this guy. Awesome. So that really put a dent in my Japanese Plasma Gale collection. I'm going to do a close-up of the card here. They're so much prettier than English sets. You can see the hollow effect all through the card. Beautiful. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos, both Japanese and English.